Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the hard training 2 part 2 in Dragonheir Silent Gods. So this is the event for beginner. I made this video for new player that still confused how you can join the event or challenge the event in this game. So let's get started by go to the camp first. When you are login, you are in the camp and tap this icon, the first icon. This is the event icon or the event page. In this page you can see some event that happening. So I want to show you this one, hard training 2, that ends in 3 days and 7 hours since I made this video. So you have to complete quest and collect point to win bountiful rewards, and available with 1600 settlement point. So and also you can get this item, a lot of item, and you have the top is available with 4000 settlement, and all you have to do is just complete quest and collect points to win bountiful reward. Like this, tap the obtain points, and this is the event rules. You can learn the rules here. Like for example, difficulty 5 in the goblin lair, you get 15 points, and this is how to obtain. You can tap it. So learn the event and complete the quest to get rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. Enjoy the game.